crappy tablet, or ultimate retro machine? Stay tuned! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So, in this video I'm going to discuss this Polaroid 7-inch tablet. The reason why I want to do this topic, I think in other countries, let me know if I'm right, we're having a lot of, let's say, Polaroid brands from China, very cheap tablets, and they are all containing very old versions of Android. And nowadays we can't do anything with it, or that is what we're thinking. So there are some ways of using it or reusing it. If you can find it on a flea market for a couple of euro because people can't use it anymore. But maybe there is a way we can use this for our ultimate retro machine. So before we're going to continue, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and hit the little bell because you get updates of new wicked content. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing. And what are we going to get? So, what are we going to get in the box? It comes with this piece of paper. No toilet paper, people. And as you can see here, this is store. It's not locker, but it is blocker. That is the name of the store. It's still around nowadays. But this store is selling a lot of these budget products, or just any products. But a lot of these tablets were for sale over there. And as you can see here, 16 euro. So that's not a lot of money for a little device like this. Alright, but the question is, what are the specifications? I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit, but what you can see here, it's a very low resolution. It's not even a full HD screen, but yeah, it's a very small screen. The CPU, I am guessing it's not even a quad core. We're having 512. I'm guessing, I think this is, I'm guessing maybe this is RAM memory. So wow, that is really low. And 4 gigs of storage space. So this is a really budget. I think it's not even having Bluetooth. It's only having Wi-Fi. So this is what we call a super duper low budget tablet. Headrest, even for the headrest. The funny thing is, I'm not going to, let's see. There's a very big story over here, but I can tell you the person who bought it was not happy with this tablet. But yeah, what can you expect for 60 euro back in the day? Well, a lot of accessory comes with it. Even a freaking headphone of Polaroid. Cables. Instruction manual. Wow. A very thick manual. And a lot of attachments. And what you can see here is even with a flip case. Was not in the box because it didn't fit anymore. But you're getting the point with this. A lot of stuff for 60 euro. Wow. Alright, but this is the tablet itself. And I must say, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but it is heavily damaged. It's a little bit filthy. But nevertheless, we're going to try it out. It's working, of course. I recharge it. Let me know, can you buy Polaroid products in your country? Really love to know, or there are other brands or something like that. So, this is what we're going to get. It's not much. It's basic as it can be. We're having volume control. There's even charging port. This is the micro USB for charging, headphone, and the power. Let's see if it's turning on. So I'm going to cut this video from here because this takes forever. Seriously, forever. Alright. Alright, let's grab the protection case because we can use it as a basic stand. Alright, let's put the tablet inside. Power it off. Alright, so we can put it in position here. Alright, let's see. Let's power it on. The next step. I did make a separate review about it. This is not a Bluetooth control, but it works with a little dongle. From Datafrog. Check out the review. Don't forget to check out the review. Alright, we're going to put it in. Again, it doesn't have Bluetooth. This is a really budget, super budget, extreme budget little tablets. Alright, first game. Golden X. Let's see how it plays. Oh crap. Yeah, you're getting your turn. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I hate golden eggs sometimes. I think the game is cheesy and I think it's fucking annoying that you don't get kicked from behind. Wait for your turn. How hard is that? Look! It works on my old tablet! Why can't the Chinese figure this out? Oh yeah, just great, I pressed the wrong button. Wicked, press the start button. Ah, forget about it. Let's go. So as you can see, emulation of the Mega Drive works perfectly on this tablet. But if you can get yourself a very cheap tablet. Okay, now I need my power. Here it is. Come on! Not too early. Crash my damn, baby. Oh yeah.
Round one, fight!
You know what? I have this handicap, but never mind. It can be the control or something like that. Why can't I do my move? It's freaking annoying. Ah, whatever. So for the final conclusion about this cheap Polaroid tablet. So the idea behind this is that you can turn it into a retro machine. And as you can see, a lot of games are running pretty decent. PlayStation will be a problem because it's graphical too heavy for this old Polaroid tablet. But all the other games are running just fine. So yeah, let me know, what do you think of this? I really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little bell. and see you in my next video. Bye bye.